Hey, this is Edwin. I want to teach you how to play the B chord. Here we go. This is what it sounds like. And this is going to be the B power chord. And it's really easy to learn. Here we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to use your index finger, go to the 2nd fret. You're going to go to the 2nd string from the top. You're going to hit that note right there. After that, you're going to use your ring finger, go to the 4th fret, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to go to the 3rd string from the top, and that's the D string. And then you're going to use your pinky finger, it's going to be the string right underneath it, it's going to be the G string, 4th fret. Now, on the hand with the pick, you're not going to hit the E string, that string right there, you're not going to hit that. And so it's going to be the 5 strings that you're going to hit. So just strum all of them at once. And that's the B chord. Another variation you can do is actually just bar the whole thing and leave these 2 fingers still as it is. And you would actually just bar the 2nd fret. This is what it looks like. Alright, and another way you can do this actually is bar 3 strings. So you would actually bar the, what is this? The D, the G, and the B string. So it would be these strings. And then you just bar the 2nd fret. It's pretty difficult, and it could be very uncomfortable for the first time if you play it. But this is what it sounds like. Alright, now I'm going to do some demonstrations with the B chord. Here we go. And those are 3 different types of B chords that you can do. My favorite is obviously this one. It sounds nice and open, but of course, please try out the other ones.